Unfortunately, hurricane season continues until November 30th, so we still have a ways to go.
Okay, well, let's see what's happening at home.
All right, let's see. Where shall we start? How about current conditions? 77 degrees in Griffin, 79 in Atlanta. Temperatures, of course, getting to their daytime peaks and now starting to fall off a little bit. Sadly, we are looking at some very dry conditions as well, but fortunately, we have an easterly wave off the coast of Florida that is forecast to work its way across the peninsula and on into the Gulf. The big question becomes, what is that going to do to our weather? Well, it's going to do a couple of things. Number one, it's going to help to increase the moisture across the region. What it's also going to do, maybe, is bring us a chance for some rainfall. As you can see, a whole big chunk of the nation east of the Mississippi River could use some rain, because we're looking here at least abnormally dry. Those areas in red, that is extreme drought. So we have some serious drought conditions across the eastern United States. So what do we have here? We have that high pressure system. Remember me standing on this blue all week? That's because a high pressure system is sitting across the Atlantic, and that is going to be keeping us fairly dry as we go into the weekend. However, remember the low? That's going to make its way into the northern Gulf. In between the two, we're going to see windy conditions, so each afternoon is going to be pretty breezy for us. Very nice for your Friday and Saturday. Looking for sunny skies, not a lot of rain, but this low pressure system, if it moves a little bit to the north, that means it pulls on into these southern states here. It could bring us a chance of some rain. Right now it's pretty slim, about 30% starting Sunday, Monday, maybe into Tuesday. But if it is a little bit farther south out in the Gulf, we might not get anything out of it at all. So a pretty complicated forecast overall for us. Let's take a look at what is forecast between those areas of pressure. More than average rainfall expected in the east, less than average here across the Mississippi River. But as you can see, there might be a little bit of rain in the eastern U.S., not enough for drought relief, but at least we do have a shot at it. Overall, this is what I think we're going to see over our 7-day forecast. Starting you off on your Friday with sunny skies, 78 degrees, not looking at any real rain there. And then Saturday on into Sunday morning, I think we're going to enjoy those very nice good hair conditions with low relative humidities. Dew points will be in the 40s and 50s, high temperatures in the 70s, creeping up to the 80s as we get into the weekend. And then we'll start to see the influence of that low. And again, we're watching just how far north it's going to go. Definitely looks like our clouds will be increasing. Also looks like the humidity is coming up as well. So we're getting back to that air you can wear feeling. Each afternoon with this daytime heating might manage to kick up some showers and thunderstorms. A real cold front comes through late in the week. That's going to clear us out, drop your high temperatures into the 70s. We could see some of the coolest nights we've seen this season as we get toward the end of next week.